Yo, what's going on guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to create a YouTube thumbnail. So what you guys are going to want to do is you guys are going to want to open up your web browser, and what I use, it's called Canva. So what you guys want to do is just go to canva.com, and this is what it looks like when you get to the home page. And if you go to this search bar right here and type in YouTube thumbnail, it will pop up right here. You want to click that one, and you can, this is a template, so you can click a blank template, or if you guys do have Canva Pro, they do have some options here you could choose from, or there is also some that are free, the ones that don't have the little gold crown in the bottom of the left. But for the sake of this video, let's just open a clean slate right here. So when you guys click that one right here, the create a blank YouTube thumbnail, it brings up the perfect size that you can make your thumbnail. So you guys want to take up this whole box, and it will be the exact size for your thumbnail. So guys, now I'm going to make the thumbnail that is on this video for you guys. So what you guys are going to want to do is whatever you guys are making a video of or whatever. Also guys, you guys can also come over here to, on the left side, to backgrounds, and there are a couple to choose from. Just blank backgrounds you guys can use. Some of them have the Canva watermark on them, but there are some that you can just pick from. But for the sake of this video, I am going to just do a white background, and if you guys go to a new tab, I'm going to type in, let's just look up a beach and go to images. You guys can literally take any image you guys want. So for this video, I am going to use, let's just use this one. So you guys are going to want to copy the image, or I'm going to save the image. So you just want to save the image, go back to Canva. Then to get the image here, you guys want to go to uploads. You want to go to upload media and click on the one you guys, click on the picture you guys saved to your downloads. So now once you guys open it up, you can just stretch it out. So if it does come out blurry for you guys like it did there, if you guys do have Windows, you guys can, it should be on your guys' computer. It is called Snipping Tool. If you use this, you click new, and up here you click the little plus that says new, and then your screen will kind of go a little dim, and you guys can just start at one corner, hold the left mouse button, click again, and then push the little disc up here and save a screenshot. So when you guys do that, it does come out not as blurry, as you guys can see. So guys, to make a picture more blurry but to still have that background that you want it to be a beach, but you want it to be kind of blurry so it doesn't bring out like it's a beach background, but it still gives you that good contrast in the back. What you guys want to do is you guys want to go to up to the top where it says edit image, and you guys are going to want to go to adjust and click see all, and these are all of the adjustments you guys can do. So you can change the fade, shadows, highlights, vibrance, clarity. But what you guys want to do to make it more blurry and still pop out is these top three right here. And there's also a blur option, which we're going to get to, but we're going to show you how to make it pop before you blur it. So with the brightness, you can turn it down or up. But what you guys want to do, contrast. So you guys are kind of want to turn that up a little bit, and then turn this up a little bit more. Then you guys can lower the brightness a tad, and then you guys move blur to about, oops. So if you guys move blur to about 20, it's about a good blur that you can still see kind of what the background is, but kind of not, and it doesn't pop out like normal. So what you guys are going to want to do next is there is a little text box here, and you guys can pick a body text, subtitle, heading. I'm just going to go with a heading because it already makes it big. Just one step I don't got to do. So now what you guys are going to want to do is you guys can type in how or whatever you want. So what I'm going to put is how to, then I'm going to make a YouTube thumbnail. So what you guys are going to want to do now is if you just click off the box, then click on the box, and you guys go up here to these little alignment, and you click it once, it will bring it all to the left side. So now what you guys are going to want to do is you guys can highlight the whole box and go up here to the size and pick whatever size you guys want. I think I'm going to go with 95. So now what you guys want to do is click on the box, and up here is all the text, and you guys have a bunch of text to choose from. So what I'm going to do is there's a lot of text you guys can choose from. With thumbnails, you kind of want to get more bold text. So the one I might go with was Anton. This is a nice bold, it's all smushed together, which is kind of nice. I'm actually gonna up the size a little bit. So alright guys, so once you have what wording you have on your template or what you want your thumbnail to be, you guys can go over here on the left side to elements, and you guys can search. So with the free version, you guys can search up YouTube, click YouTube, and they do have a transparent background YouTube logo. So I'm going to be using this, so you guys can put it like that. And also guys, when I make my YouTube thumbnails, I like to copy and paste the wording. So as you guys can see here, I have two of them, and the background, or the one that's going to be in the back, I like to up it about 2 or 3 sizes and then move this one back over here, and I like the yellow color. And now as you guys can see, if we can just place it in the right spot, just like that, you guys see it has kind of a bubble letter fade shadow look to it, which makes it, in my opinion, pop out a lot more. So as you guys can see here, we are almost done with the thumbnail. And if you guys go back to elements, you guys can look up I'm gonna look up a click. So as you guys can see, they do have a finger like this, but if you guys do want anything, you guys can literally pick anything in this Canva that does not have the little crown to it. So you guys can literally look up everything. They also have presets, like they have all types of shapes, lines, there's arrows, you can even have graphics. They have moving animated ones. So now guys, after you have what you want your thumbnail to look like, you guys can add a little more background to it by, if you guys go in back in the search bar and type in beam and scroll down a little bit, there should be one that is this one right here. As you guys can see, it's the yellow one. If you guys click that one, and then you guys down here at the bottom, you guys can zoom out a tad bit, and then you guys want to just make this bigger, just like that. And you guys don't have to put it right in the middle, but let's just say about right there. And you guys can change, I'm gonna change it to white, and I'm gonna make the transparency a little darker so it doesn't stick out a lot. And then what you guys can do is you go up to position and you just kick backwards. So also it's going to be 4 times, and just like that, it puts it behind everything but the actual background we put in. Make sure you don't click it too many times or you will put it behind everything. And as you guys can see, we just made a thumbnail. So now what you guys are going to want to do is you guys want to go up to File up here in the top left. You guys are going to want to go to Download. And you guys are going to want to make sure that it's on PNG. That's for the high quality image, as it says here, and it also suggests it for you. So what you guys do that, you guys are going to want to push download. And you guys are going to want to wait until it pops up in the bottom down here, as you can see. You guys can also name it, which I forgot to do. So you can just put YouTube thumbnail, just like that. And after you guys save it, it will pop up as that name. And that is how you create a thumbnail, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did like it, please leave a like, comment down below, and please subscribe so you don't miss another video like this. I am switching it up a little bit.